As you can see, we're here at the White House. A fun fact, sometimes when I do live shots at the White House, I will get a message from people claiming that it's not really the White House because you could see straight through to the Treasury building. That's like from our live shot position. Well, I got news for you guys. During this construction project, you can really see straight through to the Treasury building. And so keep your eyes peeled for that, especially on these crisp mornings and afternoons at the White House. It's pretty clear.